Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the panel type because the repair path differs for LCD versus OLED. That determines connector types and fragility. Once identified, power down and unplug the device, then remove the battery if accessible. This prevents shorting. Put on an anti-static strap to avoid ESD damage and clear a well-lit workspace. Now unscrew the minimal bezel screws and gently pry to expose the display connector area. You begin with visual inspection of cables, sockets, and obvious damage. Once the panel is exposed, focus on the ribbon cables and board connections because most screen lines stem from poor contact or debris. Carefully lift the locking tab, slide the ribbon out, and inspect both ends for bent pins or residue. Clean with high-concentration isopropyl and a soft brush to remove oxidation. After drying, reseat the ribbon firmly under the clamp so it clicks into place. Make sure to test power on briefly to check if lines disappear before reassembling. If reseating didn't clear the lines, you proceed to replace the likely faulty component. Start with the display cable, then the inverter or T-con board, because lines often trace to those parts. Use a known good spare panel or an external monitor to isolate whether the panel itself is damaged. Once the replacement fixes the issue, reassemble carefully, torque screws evenly, and resecure adhesives. If lines return, one key troubleshooting tip: pause and recheck cable tension and connector cleanliness. A slight misalign can recreate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.